What's going on, all you tech subscribers? Welcome back. Unboxing video part 2, and today we are going to upgrade our lighting setup and we'll see how it goes. All right, funnily enough, this is my lighting setup right now. I literally have this reading light. And for this video, I have it sitting on top of the box that we're about to unbox. So let's get it. I think what I'll do is just cut all this open. Two pieces. Light. Another light. Convenient bag. Okay. Wow. This is everything that's in it. I was thinking about getting the octagon ones, but we'll see. I think these are the stands. I'm gonna read these instructions on how to install it real quick. All right, let's see how this goes. All right, what's going on, guys? We got both of these lights set up. I got one that's coming down right here, and then I got my light right here. Keep looking over there because I got my phone screen mirrored. Okay, so check this out. I got this remote here. All right, boom, turns on. Make this more bright. Does this one work? Oh yeah, look at this. We can make this less bright. Make this more bright, change the mode. Wait, are both of these changing? Okay, hold up. Oh shoot, both of these are changing. That's really cool. Okay, so I guess I got one remote that changes both of these. That's pretty cool. All right, so let's see. I got one that's up like right here, and then I got this one going right here. Oh, that's freaking money, guys. Look at that. that's so clean. I gotta play around with this lighting setting, but this looks like some professional ass lighting, man. There you go. This is what it looks like warm. This is what it looks like cold, I think. Let's turn the brightness down a little bit. This is just a normal white one. I think I really like this one. If anything, I probably would close this light, and I think just having this face light right here, maybe a little bit further away. Oh yeah, I think that's it right there. Let me know what you guys think of that right there. But here, this is me just changing this. This is warm lighting. This is cool lighting. This I'm not really the biggest fan of. It kind of like washes me out a little bit. That I like. That I like. I think this is it. That's the move right there. So overall, you know, I got two soft boxes. I got my tripod set up, and I can control it all with the remote, which is really, honestly, this is the coolest piece. This is the coolest piece of it. I learned recently that overhead lighting is not the move. So I'm gonna look up some more videos on how softbox lighting works. But overall, I think this was like $75 for both of these. Came with the tripod, came with the light, came with the cover, and a couple of remotes. So yeah, man, life is good. And it came with this bag that I don't think I'd be, like, once these are set up, I don't think I'd be transporting them anywhere, but I'd definitely be using this for some podcasting work. I'll be using it for a lot of like not even walk and talk videos, just like talk to the camera videos. Because like, look at this background. I keep pointing here because literally my this thing is here, but like, look at how clean this look at how clean that is, man. So literally, like, I think this is my new backdrop now. I got my my water lilies Monet painting. I got the painting Joseph Kim gave me. I got a lamp. I wonder if I even need this lamp after. Oh yeah, no, I need the lamp for sure. Yeah, that's nice. And then I got the quick RGB light behind the cello. So this is a new setup, man. Torjim lights, solid. I think it's definitely worth it for the purchase. Honestly, it'll just upgrade your whole look, and you'll be able to take this with you for anywhere you need because it comes in the bag. It's very portable, so totally worth the money. I'm just excited on what I can really do with these. So yeah, that's it for this review. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.